For this mandrel setup, a brass nut is used to secure the bushings and blank in place. The biggest con of this setup is that the mandrel shaft can bend, which may cause your blanks to be turned out of round. So we're going to switch to a setup using a live center. First, remove the brass nut. Insert the live center into the tailstock and bring it up to meet with the bushings. Secure the tailstock, being very careful not to over-tighten. It only needs to be tight enough to hold the blank and bushings in place. The live center eliminates bending by pressing right up against the bushings and holds the shaft in place. This will help extend the life of your mandrel and will ensure that your blanks come out nice and round.